The tambourine is a versatile percussion instrument that plays a major role in Arabic, Persian, Brazilian and European music.
This is the Drums for Schools tambourine. It is made of a wooden frame with a skin head and 7 sets of jingles around the outside. The tambourine is ideal for keeping time and tempo in any piece of music. To keep the jingle still, you need to hold the tambourine like this and play by tapping at the edge of the instrument. You can play a combination of short and long notes by shaking the instrument and then tapping it like this. You can also shake the instrument from side to side and against your hand to create rhythms with accents. Also, if you move your hand to the other side of the instrument, you can create some accents with offbeats, like this.
The tambourine, a versatile percussion instrument that goes well in almost any percussion ensemble.